Some instruct taking pictures of a building or school to answer venue-specific questions. To get paid tax on the Premise app, always log into the app around 12 midnight daily. You will be welcomed with a bonus of 0.25 cedis for joining through my referral link in the description. And that brings us to the third app on this list, Sweatcoin. Over the past few years, I have personally cashed out over $500 on this app. Sweatcoin app is based on the Ethereum blockchain and uses a unique algorithm that rewards you for completing daily tasks such as walking, running, or cycling. With a combination of Sweat Wallet and Sweatcoin, you can earn and withdraw your earnings into your USDT wallet. 4. Kenisco. Kenisco is a Ghanaian-based peer-to-peer selling app with various offers that rewards its users. You get a 20% chargeback whenever you purchase airtime or internet bundles or pay for your DSTV or GoTV bills. You can also promote other people's products, rewarding you with a 5% commission for each sale you make through your unique affiliate link. You'll be rewarded with 20% if you use my unique referral code on the screen. 5. Rewardy. This app pays you for listening to music, playing games, and many other things. If you are looking for a great platform to make extra cash with your phone, Rewardy is the best place. Register with my referral link in the description to join this platform and we will earn rewards. Payout is through PayPal, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. You can also watch the video in the upper card here to learn more about this platform. 6. Packet Share. If you are looking for a side cash app to make free money on your phone, consider giving Packet Share a try. With this app, you don't need to do anything. You only need to share your internet on the app and the system will credit your balance. Download the Packet Share app with my link in the description and register an account. You will get $5 cash prize for joining. You can withdraw when you get $20. Lastly, Cash Karma. Cash Karma stands out for its swift payment process and reliable customer support. The app ensures users receive their earnings promptly and assist with any issues or concerns. This level of responsiveness has earned Cash Karma a loyal user base in Ghana, as users appreciate the transparency of the payment system. With Cash Karma, Ghanaians can confidently engage in various earning activities and enjoy the conveniences of receiving payments through their mobile money accounts. Additionally, Cash Karma offers many ways for users to boost their earnings. The app offers referral programs that reward users for inviting friends and family to join. To end this video, these money-making apps are excellent ways for everyone to make extra cash in their leisure time. Remember, these apps cannot replace your full-time job and will save you time looking to make money online. Using any of these apps, you're on your way to make extra cash in no time. Thanks for staying to the end. My name is Regina Diamond. Please subscribe to this channel if you are new and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video to your friends. I'm out.